What's up everybody? Welcome to day 2 of the coast trip. Day 1 was all about getting here. So this is our first full day over at the coast. And basically I have no plans. This morning I am just going for a bit of a walk to stretch out and wake up a bit. We have some breakfast and found this kind of cool little spot. Yeah, we're just having a little explore. So how about you come along? The sun's kind of disappeared behind the clouds a bit, and well, it's really not that warm. Kind of was thinking to swim, might still do, the water's quite nice, but we'll see how that goes shortly. But yeah, just a little one today, yeah, keeping it easy, just relaxing. I have been in contact with the others and they'll be in tomorrow at some stage, at which point things will likely really kick off depending on when they actually get in. But that's when the real shenanigans, I guess, will start. So I look forward to that coming up, and you should too. Anyway, I'm going to keep walking and I'll talk to you in a little bit. Listen, honey duck, come right up to me. Not a care in the world. Quack, quack. Quacker. Come on. Come on. Come on, Quacker. No, he's just a little bit unsure. Bye. I've just arrived at the campground for night number 2. This one, we're at Hobart Campground, which is about 12 kilometres south of Tathra. So basically we've just jumped over Tathra, although we did spend the day there just doing bits and pieces, nothing exciting, which is why you didn't really see any of it. So this here is my camp spot. You must pre-book for these campgrounds. But yeah, so far it looks a pretty neat little spot. Got plenty of area, but let's go have a look around. So my campground's right next to the walking track down to the water. Let's wander on down and let's take a bit of a look. Right onto the bush. A few wallabies around, but nothing all that exciting just yet. Though we have only been here about 5 minutes, so it could be anything really. A little trek down. Oh, looks quite beautiful out here. Never stayed at this one before, although so far it looks pretty sweet. There's a $24, I believe, for the night, compared to $10 yesterday. Although the dude never showed up, you don't actually pre-book that one. There's a guy that normally comes around and collects, but didn't this time around. Anyway, here we go. There we go, look at that. So calm and peaceful. Spectacular. A little different than we had last night. So it looks like we might get some rain. I can feel a little bit spitting here and there. It was predicted, so it's not like it's coming out of the blue, but should be all good. If that's the case, we'll just bunker down in the car and focus on doing some editing rather than getting around and exploring. Hopefully it'll clear up by morning. We'll get up maybe early. I mean, early for being on holidays. Might chuck a line in and do a little bit of exploring. So we've got some little walking tracks. I think it probably just connects the two camps together more than anything. But overall, I think this should be a pretty good place to stay tonight. But I will let you know in the morning. So that's the end of day 2. It's starting to rain. You might be able to hear it on the roof. But it's been a pretty good day. It's chilled, relaxing. I think I got a little sunburnt on my legs. I applied sunscreen like 3 or 4 times, but being a ginger and I sunburned like real quick. It probably sunburned in the moonlight. But yeah, only really noticeable on my legs. So yeah, that's about it. It was a chill day, and tomorrow, hopefully, the others get here, you know, midday-ish, which leaves time for some activities. But I'm going to be meeting them out at the bay. So I guess it's good night. Might do a bit of editing. Seems though it is only 9 o'clock, although if the rain stops, I would like to actually get up in the morning and see if we can get some cool sunrise shots. But we'll see how that goes and whether I end up sleeping in like I did this morning. But hey, we'll try and get there eventually. Anyway, thank you all very much for watching, and I guess I'll see you all tomorrow. Night. So I could hear something kind of going on and felt something like banging against my car. Anyway, let's check this. There's a freaking possum on my spare tyre. Oi, dickhead. Hello? Look at him. Just banging on me car. Bloody shithead.
If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight.